In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to watch NFL Sunday Ticket on Chromecast. Watching NFL Sunday Ticket on a Chromecast is a straightforward process as this service is now exclusively on YouTube and YouTube TV. This means your Chromecast device, especially the Chromecast and Google TV, is fully supported device. First, you need to purchase your subscription. You have two main options, both handled by Google and YouTube. You can add NFL Sunday Ticket as add-on on your YouTube TV subscription. This is a good option if you want a complete live TV streaming package. You can also purchase NFL Sunday Ticket as a standalone channel through YouTube. This option does not require a YouTube TV based subscription. All modern Chromecast devices, including the Chromecast with Google TV, come with the YouTube app built in. If you have an older, non-Google TV Chromecast, you will be casting from a mobile device or computer. On the home screen, find and open the YouTube or YouTube TV app. Sign in with Google account you used to purchase NFL Sunday Ticket. The app's interface is designed for a TV, making it easy to navigate using your remote. Games will appear on the home tab or the dedicated NFL channel page. And that's it. Following these steps, you'll be able to watch NFL Sunday Ticket on Chromecast. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.